Hi guys, in this video I'll tell you how to send money from Payoneer to another bank account. To access, simply go to your Payoneer account. I'm currently on my laptop and I have opened Payoneer on Chrome browser as you can see. And after that, simply go to this pay section, simply click on it. And from here, simply go to pay to recipient bank account. Simply click on that. And from here enter the payment details. Simply select pay from USD, Euro or GBP, and after that select your add bank account. Whatever bank you want to select, simply select your bank account, and after that enter the amount you want to send, and here recipient gets enter an amount. Like this will be the estimated amount your recipient will get. After that, simply click on review, and that is a simple process of how you can send money from Payoneer to another bank account.